Hello friends, I am Vikrant. I am from Central University of Haryana. I am the student of JMC department. My roll number is 190824. Today we are going to discuss about motivation communication. Firstly, we will discuss about agendas. What is motivation? Model of motivation, needs satisfaction, classification, examples, Maslow's hierarchy of needs rewards intrinsic and extrinsic rewards, communication and motivation, communication and intrinsic and extrinsic motivation, conclusion. These are the parts of motivation communication. Motivation. What is motivation? The process that account for an individual's intensity, direction, and persistence of efforts towards attaining a goal. Here are some key points of motivation. There are key points of motivation. First, direction. Second, intensity and persistence. Uh, Intensity, how hard a person tries. Direction, towards beneficial goal. Persistence, how long a person tries. There are many models of motivation, but we will discuss about a simple model of motivation. First, needs. Second, behavior. And third, rewards. Needs. What are our needs to motivate? Creates desire to fulfill needs: food, friendship, rec- recognition, achievements. Behavior. What kind of our behavior should be? Results in actions to fulfill needs. Rewards. What will be the rewards? To satisfy needs, intrinsic and extrinsic rewards. What is the feedback? Feedback. Rewards informs a person whether behavior was appropriate and should be used again. Need satisfaction. What is need satisfaction and what are our needs? Needs. Physical or psychological requirements must be met to ensure survival and well being. Unmet needs motivate people. Three approaches: Maslow's hierarchy of needs, Alderfer's ERG theory, McClelland's learned needs theory. Unsatisfied needs leads us to tension, which makes us energized to take action. It leads to put efforts lead us to improved performance, and it leads us to satisfaction. As shown in the left side of this exhibit, a person's unsatisfied need creates an uncomfortable internal state of tension that must be resolved. So, according to need theories, people are motivated by unmet needs, but once a need is met, it no longer motivates. When this occurs, people become satisfied as shown on the right side of exhibit. Now we are discussing needs classification. Uh, what are the classification of needs? It is of two types: higher order needs, lower order needs. According to Maslow's hierarchy, higher order needs are self actualization, esteem, belongingness. And according to Elderfels ERG, growth relatedness. According to McLean, learn needs power, achievement, affiliation. And according to Maslow's, lower order needs are safety, psychological, and Elderfels ERG's existence. Now we are discussing Maslow's hierarchy of needs. This is the graph of Maslow's hierarchy of needs. Uh, it is a Maslow's hierarchy of needs model. A general example: self-actualization, achievement, status, esteem, friendship, belongingness, stability, security, food, psychology, organization examples, challenging job, job title, friends at work, pension, base salary. These are the Maslow's hierarchy's need. Rewards. What are the rewards of motivation? Satisfy needs, intrinsic and extrinsic rewards, and extrinsic rewards, tangible and visible to others, given contingent on performance. Extrinsic rewards, tangible and visible to others, given contingent on performance. Its good benefits: health insurance, job security, vacation times. Intrinsic rewards, they are natural rewards associated with performing the task for its own sake. Interesting work, learning new skill, independent work situations. Unsatisfied need, tension, energy to take action, effort, initiation, direction, persistence, performance, then intrinsic rewards, extrinsic rewards, then satisfaction. Performing a job well can be rewarding intrinsically. The job itself is fun, challenging, or interesting, or extrinsically, as you receive better pay or promotions, etc. Intrinsic and extrinsic rewards lead to satisfaction of various needs. Communication and motivation. What is communication? What are the efforts to communication? What are the effects of communication? All communications, international and international, have some effect. The purpose could be to generate action, inform, create understanding, or communicate a certain idea, point, etc. Communication role enactment reflects motivational patterns. No patterns is best. Motivation managers must be flexible. This is the picture of KBC कौन बनेगा करोड़पति on Sony TV. In this show, Amitabh Bachchan is communicate with that person and motivate him to do something big with the amount he had won. Intrinsic and extrinsic motivation. आंतरिक और बाह्य. What is intrinsic and intrinsic motivation? How we motivate intrinsically and extrinsically. Intrinsically motivated people view organizations as more open than extrinsically motivated people. Extrinsic people prefer specified rule governed communication role behaviors, authority, authoritarian styles of management work well with extrinsically motivated workers. Communication and motivation styles. Here are some functions of communication and motivation styles. Functions: professional motivator, personal motivator. Communication motivational styles. Information management. This is the function, and professional motivator is objective yet controls information, and personal motivator is passes information on freely. Decision making. Problems and solutions are organization or task based. Problems and solutions are employee or need based. Behavior regulation, compliance, internalization, conflict management, win loss, win or loss. In the last, uh, what is the conclusion of motivation communication? And conclusion of this presentation. In today's world, successful leaders know what they want, have a clear path to achieving it, and are driven by intrinsic rewards. Whether it's Maslow's need for self actualization, Alderfer's growth needs, or McLean's need for power, leaders are driven by a need for success and achievement. I'm Vikrant. Roll number is 1908254 1908224. Submitted to Dr. Bharti Batra ma'am. Thank you.